Hello English learners. Today we are talking about transition words. Transition words show the relationship between phrases, sentences, or even paragraphs. When you use them, you make it easier for your readers to understand how your thoughts and ideas are connected. What is more, they prepare your reader for what's coming. There are many transitions words. In this lesson, we show you 6 types of transition words. Cause and effect, contrast, example, time, addition, and emphasis. Transition words of cause and effect, therefore, as a result, consequently. I'm tired. Therefore, I'm going to watch a movie. James didn't come early. As a result, he couldn't send his report. My brothers didn't go to school weeks ago. Consequently, they didn't have their assignments. Of contrast, however, but, despite. I like to drink coffee. However, I don't like to drink iced tea. Carla has bought a bottle of wine this morning, but she has forgotten to buy ice too. Despite the issues with his bank account, Michael could sell his old car. Of example, for instance, such as, there are a lot of planets in the universe, for example, Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars. This hospital has several workers such as doctors, nurses, medical assistants, and dentists. For instance, Columbus discovered America in 1492, and Vasco Núñez de Balboa discovered the Pacific Ocean in 1519. Time, meanwhile, during, after that. I have to get 2 hours early at the airport. Meanwhile, I call a taxi to get early. Sarah bought her beach house during her first marriage 5 years ago. I'll start by telling you what transition words are. After that, I'll tell you why you should always use them. Addition, along with, moreover, furthermore. Examples. They have to study for this test tomorrow. Moreover, they will have to prepare a speech too. This trip to Europe was amazing. Furthermore, the flight, food, and airline service were excellent. Joel has to go to the gym tomorrow along with his older brother. Of emphasis, importantly, indeed, particularly. Wearing a facial mask is a mandatory rule when aboard the aircraft. Importantly, to use it to protect yourself and others. Particularly, many people spend their vacations in summer. Professors and students put their efforts to solve this academic issue this year. Indeed, the board of directors supports this problem. That's everything for today. Subscribe and give us thumbs up. Press the bell to receive notifications when we upload new videos. Keep practicing your English every day by listening, reading, speaking, and writing skills. Thanks for watching us, and see you next time.